Look guy, what I found, another bird nest in the tree, apple tree here in the farm. So like this, maybe in my other video I answered the question of my subscriber. Maybe that this bird are lays like this hair egg, cause very their nest is very low, so even human can take them out or catch them. So take a look of their egg and their nest. So there are 4 eggs